Hello guys, I bought a BlackAndDecker vacuum cleaner. This has 2-year warranties and this is VM1480. The suction power is 1480 watts. This is the watts. Okay, this is ideal for home use for your room. You can see the details here. Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much. I will open and show you what is inside. Let's open. This is how you see when you open first time the box. You get the hose. Yeah, it's good quality hose. You have something to adjust. I don't know until I don't know I didn't use. This is the hose. And there's one more something like this. I don't know. There's one more. I'm not sure what is the purpose. Let's see. This is the manual paperwork, and you get the this one. I don't know how you call this one. Maybe this should be come like this. Yeah, it should be like this. Okay, and we get the machine. Yeah, it has 2 big wheels and one is small. So you can see this is type 101 VM1480 BlackAndDecker 220 and 240 voltage input, or 1200 to 1300 watts in between, made in China. These are the details, guys. So this one you can see here, cycling 1480 watts. Okay, here 1480 watts. So this is how we can keep it down. If you keep, so this has very long cable, the power cable. Okay, it's very long. I don't know, maybe it's like 5 meters long. Okay, yeah, this much, or maybe 3 meters. So if you press this button, it will automatically take it inside. You can see here. So this is where you plug the hose, and this is how you keep it will go. And I didn't try yet. Yeah, you have to put like this. Anyhow, these 2 things you can keep it together if you want to extend. This is the purpose of extend. If you don't want to extend, you can remove one and you can plug this end of the hose here, thing like this, and this one you can plug here. Okay, this is very simple to plug, and you have more things for different purpose. Maybe if you want to clean your car, different purpose, you have different suction things, tools. So this is for home use, this one. So if you don't want this one, you probably able to remove this one from here. Okay, you can plug this one. Further, this is according to purpose. So if you want to clean your car, you can use this one. If you want to use small places, this is a car seat, something like this. So if you want to clean your room, you have to change to this one. Okay, it's very simple, guys, nothing to show. After that, you can use here like this. I'm not sure the power of suction. When I use, I will show you. So you can plug to the electricity like this. That is the sound of this one. So right now I don't have any. Let me check. You can see the suction. Yeah, it's very powerful. Believe me, I cannot even take from my hand. It's very powerful. 480. Okay guys, I will show you this one. I have some dirt. Let me show you. So these are a kind of wheels. When you keep it down, it will move. It will help. So I don't know what is this purpose. Yeah, if you on this one, you have the brush. If you off, the brush will go out inside. So this is for brush, this switch. So if you want to brush while cleaning, if you want to brush the corners or something, example like these corners, the maybe dirts are very a long time, so you need to use small brush, so it will loose. So I don't think so this is too powerful. What I saw in the with this plastic, but seems okay. Let's see, I have more something here. Let's see how this will suck. Yeah guys, looks okay. It's already gone. I mean, okay, but you can see some edges. It did not suck properly because of you cannot, there's a gap, so that's why. Maybe it's in the, if you have flat surface, actually if this in the floor, you can see there are some dirts. Let me check. Yeah, it's okay. You can see here the dirt, everything inside. This is the place where it come and store all the dust. You can see here again all the dust here. So later on you can remove and dispose. Let me check something. Here I have more dust here, so I will put it down here. So let me check. So I will on this one. I will go only once. Okay, let's see in the one time how it will be sucked. Okay. So you can see when I go once, when I come back, it already sucks. Here there's some more. Good if you have a small room, not too big. If you have a small room, this is very good. But if you want to buy, I suggest you buy with a more powerful one. So you have one-time purchase instead of I got very cheap, so I bought this one. Anyhow, this one I can use for different purpose. Maybe I can buy later. So there's one more option, 1800 watts. But this is okay, guys. It's not bad. Okay for this small room, because I have a small room. If you have bigger house, you better go for like 2500 watts. And suction is good. Very nice, guys. Thank you.